We're looking at PTON. And we got earnings. Where's our date? Oh yeah, we already have that date right there, eh? What did I see in PTON? What did I see in PTON? Where was I was 60. Yeah, so we would have entered anyway. I did lower this entry a little bit after the morning. I don't think this pattern is actually going to work. I would have liked to see this price kind of come back up above VWAP and hover at this zone in this area and then kind of push. What I saw was a huge failure here after earnings, right? We had earnings meltdown 30%. Saying that, let me just clean that up for you. Yeah, so saying that, what did I see? I saw... this isn't my type of play. I really dislike this play. A couple of reasons. It's the price of the stock is too high, which lately doesn't friggin' matter. But it's like this gap down bounce play. I don't like these gap down balance plays for some reason, but I thought I'd give it a shot because I saw what I saw. I see Peloton, okay? I see here's our COVID experience. Okay, so they had a dramatic increase in sales. Clear as day. Everybody wanted exercise equipment, or not everybody. I sure as shit didn't buy one, but they were like, I can't remember what it was, like $1,000 or $4,000. So it was just extremely expensive. Bike with a computer screen on it, or laptop screen, or tablet screen, or whatever the fuck you want to call it. But basically what I'm saying is that, they had tremendous sales. Stock goes flying up. Great. Once the COVID started to, here's the February of 2021, right? So just like the beginning of this year, it started to kind of fall off, right? Because that stay-at-home kind of thing was getting a little bit, I guess their sales were going down, right? Obviously, their sales were going down. And then the only thing that really, earnings are based upon the last earnings. So if we had tremendous earnings last time and we fail to beat that earnings, then it'll show as us negative earnings, right? Which it doesn't even always have to really mean that it's negative earnings. It's less than last time. And how could you expect it not to be less than last time when you've got less sales coming? I just, I got all the workout centers and all that stuff. They're all starting to open back up. The dust is starting to collect on their Peloton machines. Like, I'm sure their subscriptions or whatever there are for the workout videos, I'm sure that's going down. So I saw this as a tremendous discount. For some people, they might think, oh, this is a tremendous discount. This is a terrific stock. And realistically, it's a fucking stationary bicycle, man. Like, how great can this be? Well, saying that, I can also say that the growth of the company worked. So this might be its new range of price, which is realistic for this stock. Yeah, this isn't my type of company. I don't really like, bigger companies like this. Yeah, like it has a $25 billion market capitalization right now. So anyway, let's get into the trade. It came all the way down into this level here, right? And way down into here. Where is it, right? So it opened and closed around in here. What I saw was the bounce. So we've got resistance here. I figured we could at least maybe make it back up to that zone. That's all I could see. I can, let me zoom in a little closer here. It's not the greatest look for anybody, but yeah, you can get it from the other chart, but I mean, this is all we were looking for, is this bounce play. And I've seen this work in recent past here. Will it work for us today? This isn't my type of play, so I don't know. Like, subscribe, like, subscribe, share. Like, subscribe, share, thumbs up. Leave me some comments if you think this is cool. We'll see how this trade works out. But every time you come here, we try and give out the high fives for everyone. Oh, and we do that for free. So